What's the meaning of coarsely? Coarsely. Coarsely.
Coarsely. Coarsely. Coarsely refers to something that lacks refinement or is rough in texture or quality. When describing food preparation, it means that the ingredients have been chopped or ground into large, uneven pieces, giving the dish a rustic, hearty feel. For example, a coarsely chopped salsa might have chunks of tomato and onion that are big enough to provide a satisfying crunch. In terms of texture, a coarsely woven fabric would have larger, more visible threads that give it a rougher, less delicate appearance than a finely woven fabric.